Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the 2018 Audi SQ7 that we've been working on. So as you can see here, we'll start on the outside. So the vehicle has been washed and hoovered. This is what every installation that leaves our premises gets carried out. So what we've installed here is a Thatcham approved category 6 tracker. Okay, so this is the interior of the vehicle. So as you can see, everything's been put back to exactly as it was delivered to us. So this little card here, okay, so this is basically the stolen vehicle helpline number. So this is what gets supplied after an installation. So after an installation, this customer's actually dropped the car off. We do have the options for loan cars as well. So you can take those too. We have a fleet of loan cars. So the category 6 tracker, basically the way that it works is we use the Vodafone Protect and Connect system, is our most common one. What we do on that is it comes with its own little application. So the application is called My Connected Car. It's really easy to use. We've got one of our demo vehicles with it installed, so you can actually see how that works. If you want to pop in, we can show you what it's like in terms of the vehicle tracking solution, the geofencing, how all that works as well. So the main thing is it's a Thatcham approved security system. So for insurance purposes, ticks the box, but the main thing is if the vehicle is stolen at all, you can track it right down and know exactly where it is. So for any more details on the product or on this vehicle, we've done quite a bit of other work on an SQ7 to check out that video. I'll pop the link for that video below. That was quite an impressive system that we did, and we also did a category 5 tracker on that one. So for anything like this, please do give us a call. Contact details is 01223 56 30 30. And it's CBS Automotive based in Cambridge. So thank you very much for watching.